How? Why?
If you go no get money, all the girls don't go follow him. Because of waiting.
And the monkey say, wetin happen, we make one girl no gree follow him for my after party.
Why?
When the girl see where the Yomi Paka,
No, that girl was...
when the girl see where the woman, so when the girl come outside, come see him pencil light. As the guy enter inside club, now the guy change up for them immediately.
When you
don't mind they sing, say, if I no get the money,
let me tell you, when all your girls are very materialistic girls, I don't know that inside of me, the car where they drive, nobody that one way they see. And they see my car where they drive, but nobody see him. And that day, the reason why that girl, now me leave him. Matter you want leave him. Matter you want leave him.
No girl will not like soft landing.
Where don't know?
No girl will not like soft landing.
My car don't be soft landing. That way you want to go enter your car. She knows say your me get person. Obviously. My own, any girl will enter my own car, you know you are entering into my life once and for all because I'm a single man.
Your car be like tunnel to your life.
Yes. But once you are inside there, you know it must lead to my house. And once you get to my house, you are already a made person. You are made naturally. And let me clear it to you. The reason why I know that girl did not make it with me to the promised land.
Make it.
No.
You didn't make it.
No. I clearly, she made a very big mistake.
Which is?
You know that she don't first they collect complimentary card for inside the club.
Nah, business, like she didn't do business.
So that business she
didn't
do
do
Ashawo business. No, she do buying and selling. Well done. Now, as I say, you collect number. You know, as God will have, he can never let his son suffer shame. Now, in one girl. You know, that girl will be there. That's why they decide. Just come from nowhere. Just come tell me, say, she just, you know, when girl just come begin to dance, they dance with you. Next thing she just use, nah, Bobby just they rub me for back. Me, they even back this other nonsense one where they do any harm. I just begin to feel some very firm mango teeth in my back. Now I just turn. I just see her. And she come tell her, you say you don't have a girlfriend. If you get that kind of girl tell you, say, you will say you don't have a girlfriend. And the girl way, she they call as my girlfriend. He say Ross girl brought by Shakara. I had to run away. Who has the girl? Who has the girl?
General party where people come. Now I know I'm from anywhere.
General party where people come. Why they lie? Why they lie? That girl was your girl, and that girl is your girl, and that girl is your friends, your girlfriends. I mean, I don't know how to put it. But please, in case you are watching this show, you are welcome to Bobo Sian. This is the only show where I have the right to expose Shakara and Ogo. And they cannot say anything because it is your evening and your night tonic on top Wazobia TV. And my name is Showman. In fact, now let me go run the show today because Shakara want you to expose me for what I don't do. And as far as I'm concerned, that very day, I was trying to help him because his house be full. Shakara had many persons around him. If you see, that day they won't fear say Shakara will have a problem because there were over 30 girls.
Fear God. You don't do. You don't try. You don't do. We give you floor. Too much opportunity to talk.
To express yourself.
And you couldn't say anything.
Even give points.
In no fit.
You talk go here.
So please.
Talk go here.
What expression of myself?
You say you are coming to say 30 girls. You are trying to make
one small yellow girl you cannot talk to.
And
take her home.
I don't take girls home. I don't take away. I don't take girls home. I have told you any girl that follows me into my car, to my house, to my promised land, you are in my life.
You don't take girls home, Abi. That is this topic we want to talk about. You know, Sabia.
Let us hear it. I'm like he said, he's well traveled. I'm well schooled. I'm well schooled. There's nothing you can tell a love doctor that cannot tell you.
Maybe we talk this matter now. Shakara, listen, Shebi, now woman matter will come talk today. Now, babe, we be say, he no defeat reach in promised land except you give her Mutu Adepoju. Waiting the cause.
You can ask Shakara first.
Number one,
babe, we be say, he no fit to come until you get them. Waiting the cause.
Some things where you just feel. Think about now. Number one,
from your experience.
Maybe she know like you.
Thanks, I agree that
one.
Okay.
And then number two, she feel be lesbian. Yeah, she can be a lesbian, and then it will be very difficult for you to make her land. You understand?
You know say it gets some people say they know they reach promised land except you play with them.
You know say
when the crank said they go tell you say that cranking I just say they just
then I just want to list some things where I know. Then the other one, number three, if you say maybe you never know her
soft spots.
soft
her
spot,
point.
Aji wagon.
her killing point. You never see no.
Imagine how to get no.
Yes, and meanwhile some girls own the front rate like network.
True.
Yes, you get where you go touch them. That day,
Yeah,
Nadia. I tell you.
Who tell you say that different places they fit get?
I think people differ. You understand?
So
You get
like,
people wey say
mention
their own.
He gets one.
They
He
are
gets
born-
one particular
Measure 3
chick.
places where if you touch for
He get
girl.
one particular chick one time.
Yeah.
This one, nobody figures out. Now here.
What
See now.
nonsense?
If una dey crank, they go like now here. Now
What
copy news like
nonsense?
this.
Now that
Once una
one
dey
they
crank,
say,
they go. Just once una dey crank, they go. They hear, just once una dey crank, they go like this. Just kiss the nose like this.
She go just come. She go just come. I get one girl wey she drink soft drink. If she just drink that soft drink that is there, she don't dey very, very honey. She don't everything don't come. I get people also like me. If you want catch my response, if you just give me red wine, I can misbehave anyhow. I like my respect myself. I can get very, very.
Which one be say give you red wine? If breeze blow, you know if you see girl,
You know, see, as you talk say, let me expose myself. When you give me red wine, give one.
If it me, I'm not
Give
like
one.
you guys. You understand?
It was cook
Naturally.
You know what is called a cook.
Meaning what?
It was cook.
carry one
You
girl
know
come
say
here now.
Okoko,
You carry one girl now come here now with better. You need red wine first.
You need red wine first.
The other day, no, say you get some guys where even if the girl set everything, you don't dey crank like this. You never lose the erection. Why you dey crank?
It depends on the girl.
It depends on the girl.
So
And
even
it's
some
on
girls,
your
because
mind.
you get some girls, this. Let me tell you, Nigeria is a very.
Girl where you never
the
crank
problem.
before.
The
Girl where
problem.
you never crank before. Way sexy. You know feel lose the rest.
Let me tell you first.
It's either you are sick or
Shakara, do
something.
you know that problem for Nigeria? Feel make you lose interest. Even when you dey crank girl, never take lights. You know say that moment first. You feel just begin to think maybe I won't go on gen or one thing. You feel just lose relation. You get some girls where
My brother,
you
if
get
na
some girls where they crank
girl
you.
where you don't dey used to.
You get some
It
girls
can
where they
happen.
crank you.
Let me tell you.
Boy,
as a
let me
man.
tell you.
Fresh girl.
You
na
get some
fresh
girl
girl,
where they
it's na
crank
fresh
you
girl,
when they
very hard,
think.
oh.
You
Forget.
get some girl as girl they crank you. She feel they think now say, now this useless boy now why don't even give her this thing now? How many girls we don't crank before now? Or how much you want give me? Some girls the way they think all that thing. Go make
Okay,
the girl no
now
one
maybe
come.
go back to the topic.
Now be this now. I don't give you some reason say why some girls feel no one come. Now
Say
because
the reason.
if they think that time, if it be say
Divided attention.
yes, now divided attention fit dey say you get some girls wey be say maybe her ex-boyfriend whenever he want the crank am.
But wait,
Wait,
that
now
means say you're not man enough
point
now.
to wait
You're
first.
not man enough.
No, there are some things he just use the right word, divided attention. That people wey fit just dey lost, like say they are in a trance. You just like they just dey crank them, nothing dey happen. Some girls wey be say if it be say as you take the wire them, it dey remind them of their violent ex-boyfriend. So if I know that like Shakara now wey be say if you hold girl now, if you want this, they slap the girl.
Which will be like Shakara now? Why you don't have anything to say again?
Na example.
You don't have to, stop coming to this bar.
Okay, there are people Okay, so don't use
You don't
smoking
have to-
again.
I don't. For
When
what?
we come back,
Yeah.
we come the matter.
I don't.
You know,
I don't. For
You know
what?
what, yeah.
What's
You are a liar.
that? Am I playing table tennis?
I don't feel answer the question.
You know, as African woman, as a man for Africa, we need to satisfy a woman well. You get so. I really know what they cause them though, but me I know say as a man, you need to satisfy your woman well. Make she reach orgasm because if she not reach orgasm, she go outside go look for that man.
That one na one personal maybe manners or one personal makeup how she take dey. You understand? For some people, dem be like that. For some people, it don't be their own behavior. Say if you no use tongue or all those kind of stuff, she no go fit reach orgasm.
Well, it depends. I don't know where the woman don't reach before she come my house. But medical wise, they get time what they use for her. So, well, say some men no prefer cunnilingus, so you know. So, anyway, we go share manage you anyhow. Understand?
You know, say some women, the sports where they get for their body, women they get plenty places where they make them go crazy. So if say now your woman waiting they make her dissatisfied, now make you give her head. Why? Suppose give her the head well, make she enjoy her. Serious, so that all of everything go well. And you self tell her waiting yourself you like, and she go do it for you. Waiting she self like you do it for her. and everything will go smoothly.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.